and welcome to another tutorial by Pink Ink Studios. I'm Holly McKegg, and if I ever have any questions from you guys, I'm going to try and put them in a tutorial format so that we can always help you out in the future. The first thing I'm going to go over in this little quick tutorial is just some of our file types, and one is called a PNG file. And a PNG file really is a high quality transparent file. Think about a GIF file, which tends to be made more for the web and a little more pixelated. The PNG file allows you to work with high quality images with transparent areas so that we can protect the copyright of our designs without you altering them due to some of the terms that we work with. But allow you to be able to just quickly insert some of your images and make them work for you. For instance, a lot of our card templates or our frames are PNG format, and they're all created in Photoshop, full version, so you got to have Photoshop to open some of these. While we do realize there are some other software out there that does let you work with PNG files, unfortunately we cannot provide support for those because we just don't have those programs. So with this particular file, PNG, if it doesn't automatically open in Photoshop, then you probably have to change some of your settings. I'm not going to go into that though. You can look that up online if you need to. For instance, with this one, you could just go to File, Open through Photoshop and locate the file on your hard drive and then work with it there. It will open in Photoshop, I promise you. And they're really simple to work with. It's just one layered file, meaning all of this is one layer, but with transparent openings. So for instance, I can go in and let's open up a photo of, we'll open up a photo that I took, of my mom at New Year's. And it works really simple. And I'm going to go into this again when I talk about scaling your images in the future. All you're going to do when you work with these file types is click on your image, drag over to the screen where your card template or whatever it is you're working on, and you'll see that it's a new layer on top of it. Drag it underneath, and it'll see how it starts showing up in the transparent areas of your project. Real simple to work with, and in the other stuff I'll talk about how to scale those for you. So that's a PNG. Make sure you do a file save as, because we don't want you writing over your originals, and make backups, please, because we can't keep sending files over to you due to the cost of bandwidth can get pretty high with as many customers as we deal with. So that's it. That's a PNG file. A lot of the other files that we work with here at Pink Ink Studios are layered Photoshop files, and I'm going to quickly show you one of those. For instance, the back of this card, which is one of my card templates, has two layers here, the background layer and then the text layer. Fonts are never included in our files due to copyright terms, so we may use a certain font in our style when we design our template, but if you don't have that font on your computer, it's not going to show up for you. But all you do is just go in, double click it. My computer's running slow, sorry about that. Whoops. And I'll highlight it, you can come in, you can type right over it just like that. Again, layered Photoshop file has several layers to it. You must have full version of Photoshop to work with these. And I believe that's probably the different file types that you're going to find here at Pink Ink Studios. Alright, if you have any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to contact me at holly@pinkinkstudios.com. Thank you.